Hey YouTubers, down here at the river. Got 3 lines in, night crawler. I went out to the Bennett Park to get some cut bait because I'm going to camp out here for a couple nights this weekend. Nothing but dead ones all the way around the pond. I don't know if they pushed fish kill or something in there or somebody did something. But so if I get a drum, I'm going to keep it, use that for cut bait for the weekend. So, see what we get. There we got something. Perfect. Alright, we got our cut bait for the weekend. Get at least 2. Whoa. Whoa. Got him. He was fighting, so he's pretty good size. Not the biggest, but he's pretty decent. What is he? Little catfish. Alright. Not a neater, but he'll do. There we go. Number 2. Oh, right in your head. Yeah, I hear you. Alright, right through his head. Alright, I hope we get one more drum because what I have for bait is on the poles. So got a drum and a catfish so far. Now today I decided to go over to Bennett Park, try to get some cut bait for the weekend. That didn't work out. Along the whole shore all the way around was some kind of white stuff, real filmy, milky stuff, and there's just dead sunfish, bluegill, 2, 3, 4 inches long, just everywhere. So I decided to come out here, hoping to get a drum for some cut bait. We did get the one drum. I was hoping for 2, so I could have some for each night I'm out here. But it didn't work that way. Did get the catfish. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. Want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and tight lines everyone. And I appreciate everybody that's watching. Thank you.